welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to our cozy little corner of creativity. Today I will be sharing an install for the Package Pretties 2026 that's being hosted by Betty and myself. This collaboration will air every fourth Monday of the month. We did push it back this week due to spring break, but I wanted to just come in and share very quickly what I created. This collaboration consists of us just creating embellishments and finding really nice ways to package those things up. So today I have something very simple. I want to first start by showing you guys the dies that I use, and then we'll jump right into the project. When I was thinking about packaging for my embellishment, I pulled out this mini piece of box die, which is a very old die by We Are Memory Keepers. It is a very large size die. As you can see, it's very large. So here is what I created. I wanted to play with this little caterpillar that I had in my stash for a while and just have some fun with this die. Now this can actually be placed on a card front, or you can actually just use all of the elements as a embellishment. So I'll share with you guys the dies that I use. For the background, I just use these tags here. For the flowers, I used this die here, and this was also a first time using this die as well. The cute little caterpillar die is here, and I picked all of these dies up with the exception of the We Are Memory Keepers off of AliExpress. And so here's a closer look. I just put a sentiment there that says sweet. I popped everything up with foam, and then I love how these little glasses is on the caterpillar. Now I wanted to originally put some acetate, but then I like how the frames were missing. And I am a bookworm. I am an avid reader, and so I felt like this would be super cute to add to maybe a spread or something that I have, you know, monthly with my book reading. I had a little sticker there that I added the little blue robin there. And then I wanted to play with the colors because here is the box that I created. Now with this box, I thought that it could be used as an embellishment kit. And so if you were sending some crafty mail to one of your friends or even in a swap, you can, cut out a little pizza box. And then what I did, instead of putting the second one together, I actually added all of the embellishments here in the box. So if someone wanted to gift this as a kit, all you would have to do is pull out all the elements. I have everything already put together, and then you can organize it or use it however you would like. And so again, just a really fun way to package up some embellishments, send it off really pretty. I put a little gingham bow there, and then I love the spring colors that was in this paper here. And I just picked these single sheets up from Hobby Lobby. I added a little sentiment that says thank you there. And again, very, very simple, very easy, but a great way to send some embellishments to your crafty friends. So thanks guys so much for stopping by my channel today. If you have stayed to the end of the video, would you please just leave this emoji in the comment section? This helps me know if you like the content. Don't forget to go over and check out Betty's channel and see what she created today. I'm sure you will be inspired. Have a wonderful day. Bye.